Imagine you're sending money to a friend, but instead of fumbling with cash or waiting for a bank transfer, you simply tap a few buttons on your phone. Sounds like something from a sci-fi movie, right? Well, it's actually a reality in many parts of Europe, thanks to a mobile payment app called Vips. But who exactly is the mastermind behind this revolutionary app? Who is the CEO of Vips? Before we dive into that, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. Remember the days of carrying around bulky wallets filled with cash and cards? It was a hassle, wasn't it? Vips was born out of a desire to simplify our lives and make payments more convenient. Founded in Norway in 2015, Vips quickly gained popularity due to its user-friendly interface and secure payment system. It's essentially a digital wallet that allows you to transfer money, pay bills, and even buy goods and services, all from the comfort of your smartphone. But who's the visionary behind this digital revolution? Who's the CEO of Vips? The CEO of Vips. Meet Rune Garborg, the CEO of Vips. A seasoned technology executive with a passion for innovation, Garborg has played a pivotal role in shaping Vips into the success it is today. Garborg's journey with Vips began in 2015 when he was appointed as the company's CEO. Prior to that, he held various leadership positions in the technology industry, including roles at Telenor, one of Norway's largest telecommunications companies. Under Garborg's leadership, Vips has experienced rapid growth and expansion. The app has become an integral part of Norwegian society, and its success has inspired similar mobile payment solutions in other countries. Key achievements. One of Garborg's most significant achievements is the development of Vips' seamless integration with Norwegian banks. This has made it easy for users to link their bank accounts to the app and transfer money instantly. Additionally, Garborg has spearheaded initiatives to expand Vips' functionality beyond traditional payments. The app now offers features such as loyalty programs, ticketing, and even contactless payments for public transportation. Garborg's strategic vision has also led to the internationalization of Vips. The app has been launched in several European countries, and there are plans for further expansion in the future. Leadership style. Garborg is known for his collaborative leadership style. He emphasizes teamwork and empowers his employees to take ownership of their work. This approach has fostered a positive and innovative work culture at Vips. Moreover, Garborg is committed to social responsibility. Vips has been involved in various initiatives to promote financial inclusion and support sustainable development. So, who is the CEO of Vips? It's Rune Garborg, a visionary leader who has transformed the way we pay and transact. Thanks to his innovative spirit and strategic thinking, Vips has become a leading mobile payment solution in Europe. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.